Australia, its vast and varied landscapes, are home to creatures of every kind. And among them, perhaps the most iconic, the emu and the kangaroo. Neither the emu nor the kangaroo can move backward. Their anatomy compels them ever forward. A fitting metaphor for Interroll Australia. Never backward, always forward.
Interroll Australia has been represented and operating in Australia since 1990. We are responsible for the Australian and New Zealand regions. You will find our products and solutions in many applications across the supply chain, mainly found in automated warehouses, express and postal services, e-commerce, airports, food and beverage, and in fashion.
So it was always that, now we've got this one going, what's the next one?
I'm proud working in Interroll because the people are passionate. Every department's here to help each other out.
I believe that true partnerships are built on trust. We are committed in finding ways to resolve today's and tomorrow's material handling challenges.
Never backwards, always forward is an attitude for us.
This is where we learn and then we use that knowledge to then aid our customers.
And that's the way that we like to be on site. That's the attitude that we bring.
The belief in never backward, always forward has propelled Interroll Australia to where it is today.
I see us maintaining a position as a global leader in materials handling solutions.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing that after 35 years the company's going so strongly, and clearly you can only do that if you're always moving forward.
Interroll Australia. Never backward, always forward.